Hello, my friend. Welcome to TubeU channel. After a long break, this year I've returned and started exploring AI from February 24. Over the past 4 months, I began by installing AI tools, particularly Comfy UI, and testing a variety of AI models using my old RTX 2070 GPU. After extensive testing, I realized it's really difficult to create high-quality results with this potato buddy. Even so, I still appreciate it because it has supported me so much. Eventually, I started looking for something more powerful that could help me create high-quality images and create stunning videos efficiently. Of course, I initially searched for free tools, as many YouTube videos suggested. However, after trying them, I found they always had limitations that prevented me from consistently creating content. Then I discovered Monica AI, which I've made videos about. It offers unlimited support for questions, and the price is affordable for me. With this foundation, I started experimenting with various AI tools, but my journey began with creating outstanding images. While the latest AI engines can generate videos directly from text, the results are sometimes unpredictable. I prefer a more controllable method, starting with images and then transforming them into videos. By the way, at the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip. I won't explain it here or there. You'll have to watch it yourself. The result will be a short MTV video that I'll upload to YouTube. Using Stable Diffusion WebUI 1111 or Comfy UI was my first choice because I could run them locally on my computer without censorship. Now, with the help of Monica AI tools, generating text prompts is no longer a challenge. For instance, when browsing YouTube or other websites, if you see an attractive image, pause the video. Press Win plus Shift plus S to take a screenshot and paste it into Monica AI's chat box. Using ChatGPT 4.0 or other LLM models, Monica will generate a high-quality image prompt for you. You can then paste it into Stable Diffusion WebUI 1111 and it will create a great image. For example, with my old RTX 2070 GPU, it took me 2 minutes and 5 seconds to generate a 512 by 768 image. However, I now prefer alternative methods, which I'll share here. 1. Google ImageFX. This tool can generate 4 images at a time, maintaining consistency when using the same seed. The resolution is 768 by 1408. Much better than what I could produce locally with Stable Diffusion. Unless you need to create NSFW images, I recommend using Google ImageFX for generating images. 2. Google Whisk. Recommended by Google ImageFX, this tool generates 2 high-quality images at a time. Like ImageFX, it maintains consistency with the same seed. I've noticed that ImageFX produces warmer, smoother images, while Whisk creates more dynamic and vibrant images. Of course, there are many free websites for image generation, which I'll list in the description below. Even if you use keywords like high quality or photorealistic, the final image quality may not improve significantly. For this, I recommend a great tool for comparing images and videos called iCat, a free tool from NVIDIA. The link is in the description below. Thanks to the YouTube channel Metrics Mule, I've learned how to elevate my images to the next level. Here's how. Based on their prompt generator, I now use it as an AI influencer generator bot. Instead of inputting everything manually each time, I've created a bot for Monica AI. First, click the More icon. Then, select the Bots icon to open the bot generator. You can use Monica's recommended bots, create your own, or search for specific bots by name. For example, I've created a bot called AI Influencer Generator, which you can use for free. To use it, simply ask Monica to generate several image prompts and select the best ones. The generated images are amazing. They feel alive. If you want to refine your results, attach an image you've already generated, for example, using Google ImageFX, by clicking the pin icon and asking Monica to generate more prompts. Select the top 3, for example. If the images don't fit your purpose, you can ask Monica to adjust the style. For instance, you can request half body facing the camera. Monica works tirelessly, generating multiple images and refining them based on your input. Once you're satisfied with the image quality, you can upscale it to at least HD resolution. I recommend a free tool called Upscayl, an open-source application. You can download the Windows version, install it, and use it to upscale images. It offers various upscaling methods, and in most cases, the standard method works best. After upscaling, the image size increases to 1536 by 2816, higher than HD resolution. The quality also improves significantly, as Upscayl uses AI to enhance smoothness, sharpness, or even change the style. Now that we have a high-quality starting image, we can move on to video generation. WeChair AI generates videos automatically from images. It's unlimited and watermark-free, but produces low-resolution videos, 416 by 716. Upscaling is necessary. Zipu Kinyan. This tool generates both images and videos. It supports 4K video generation, paid for, and unlimited HD generation. Registration is required, and the free version is limited to HD. Gmang offers 80 daily points with 10-second videos costing 20 points. Resolution is 704 by 1248. It's free but limited to 4 videos per day. Kling, excellent for lip sync and video generation. It costs 10 points for a 10-second video.
We're unstoppable. Yeah, we're breaking all the frames. Oh, rise and flow. Let's just speed a rich show.
Works best with HD input or pre-lip-synced videos. Digen AI generates lip-sync videos from photos or videos. It's cost-efficient when using videos, but reduces resolution to 768 by 1280.
We're unstoppable. Yeah, we're breaking all the frames. Oh, rise and flow. Let's just speed a rich show.
For video enhancement, I use Video Proc Converter or Video 2X QT6. Both tools upscale video resolution using AI. Video Proc maintains the original style, while Video 2X offers more aggressive changes with advanced AI models. For music, I use Mareka AI to generate custom songs and lyrics.
We're unstoppable. Yeah, we're breaking all the frames. Oh, rise and flow. Let's just speed a rich show.
After creating the song, I use Ultimate Vocal Remover to isolate the vocals, making lip sync easier and more precise. Finally, I edit the video using Premiere Pro. I add lyrics, align the vocals, and upscale the video slightly to remove watermarks.
We're unstoppable. Yeah, we're breaking all the frames. Oh, rise and flow.
The final product is ready for upload to YouTube Shorts. Oh, I remember mentioning an Easter egg bonus earlier. I won't explain it here. Watch closely and try it yourself. Discover the joy through your own experimental exploration. Thank you for watching. If you find this content helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support means a lot to me.